Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make viral AI videos in 5 minutes for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, with people earning thousands of dollars by generating millions of views from this type of content. You don't need any editing skills, no fancy setup, and it literally takes just a few minutes to create a full video. With the help of AI, you can create complete videos in just a few minutes. Let me show you the exact process step by step. Today, I'm going to show you an AI tool called Corpy AI that lets you create viral AI shorts for TikTok and YouTube Shorts completely without any editing skills. It's fully AI automated, so you can go from idea to a finished video in just a few minutes. You simply choose a template, let the AI handle the rest, and you're ready to post. If you want to try it out, I'll leave the link in the comment section below with the best available discount on the premium plan. Now let's take a look at the platform itself and how everything works. One thing I really like about Corpy AI is that it's not just a simple video generator. The platform includes a wide range of tools designed to help creators streamline the entire content creation process. There's also a dedicated trending niches section that helps you discover content categories that are currently performing well, which can save a lot of time when looking for ideas. Another useful feature is community creations, where you can browse videos created by other users and use them as inspiration for your own projects. Looking at the dashboard on the left side, you'll notice a variety of additional tools such as Trends Repurpose allows you to find viral TikTok videos and recreate them with AI, and many other features designed to help you find content opportunities, generate ideas, and create videos more efficiently. The platform is built to give creators everything they need in one place instead of having to use multiple different tools. When it comes to actually creating content, one of the most important areas is the AI playground for both image and video generation. Here you can create cinematic AI videos in just a few simple steps. First, you choose the AI model you want to use. Then you can either upload an image as a starting frame or simply describe what you want using a text prompt. Once everything is ready, the AI generates the content for you automatically. As for the available niches, Corpy AI already provides a variety of ready-made content formats. For this example, I'll use the AI text story niche so you can see how everything looks from the inside. Once you select your niche, you'll find a range of customization options that allow you to tailor the final video exactly how you want it. You can generate an AI video script, customize individual scenes, adjust effects, choose audio settings, and in this case, even select different art styles. On the right side, you'll also see a live preview of how your final video will look. Once you're happy with the result, all that's left is to generate the video, save it, and upload it to platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now let's quickly talk about pricing. Corpy AI offers multiple premium plans with both monthly and yearly billing options. If you're planning to create content consistently, the yearly plans are usually the better value since they offer a lower effective monthly cost. There are several plans available depending on how many videos you want to create and how many credits you need each month. The higher tier plans include larger credit allocations and more content generation capacity, so the right choice really depends on your goals and posting frequency. There's also a lifetime option available, which allows you to make a one-time payment and receive a set amount of monthly resources going forward. For some users, that can be a very attractive alternative to a recurring subscription. And if you're interested in trying Corpy AI for yourself, don't forget to check the link in the comment section below. It currently includes the best available discount on the premium plans. Overall, Corpy AI provides a complete ecosystem for creating AI-powered short-form content. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale content production across multiple channels, it gives you all the essential tools in one place, making the entire process faster, easier, and much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and check out the link in the comments for the best available discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.